How to use this website, written by Khatzumoto, posted in November of 2012. You've been asking, how do I use AJATT? Where do I start? How do I get the most out of it? What should I tell my friends to read? Here's the what and how to of all of that, smiley face. Hey there, AJATT.com. That's this site. Has grown quite a bit over the years, from its humble beginnings in 2006 to its arrogant, bombastic, decadent present. Over that time, a lot has been written and said, and more is still being written and said right now. I'm writing and saying this as we speak right in front of your face. Footnote 1. Don't mind the broken metaphor, this site is full of them. It's like hair on the floor of a salon, we just don't bother anymore. End footnote. So what? Easy now, we're getting there. So there you are. You probably came to the site on the enthusiastic recommendation of a pleased AJATTier. Footnote 2. That's what we call those who have imbibed the local Kool-Aid. End footnote. She or he has probably told you about how awesome the site was, how ridiculously handsome I am, how I changed her/his/its life. But now you're here and you're just confused. You're overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information and discussion. How are you supposed to get through this? How are you supposed to read this? How are you supposed to take mine and other people's experiences and distill them into a coherent path of action for yourself? Short answer, don't even try. I know, you're thinking WTF, right? Let me explain. You know how when you get a new cell phone or a new smartphone or a new iPhone, right? Or even a new laptop or a new PC or a new computer, or a new iPod or a new MP3 player or a new media device? Footnote 3. Just think how redundant it would be of you to tell me how redundant these examples are, and then come tell me anyway. End footnote. You don't look at the manual, do you? No, you don't. Sane people don't look at the manual. What do? You take the device out of the box, you give it a little look-see, then you turn it on, and you try to just get one thing done. Just one thing. Maybe you try to play a movie, or set the wallpaper, or get online. So that's what you do here. At the very least, it's what I recommend you do. Treat this website like an intricately bloated piece of consumer electronics. Yes, this website is a VCR. Remember those? So yeah, 1. Bookmark the site. 2. Click around, read an article or two. 3. Find something useful. One thing will do. 4. Go away and act on it. The useful tool or idea you found in step number 3. 5. Come back. And 6. Repeat step 2. There, 6 easy steps, and they're yours. For free, smiley face. Enjoy. A note about step 4. I know what you're thinking, but this site is so full of new information and insights. What if I misunderstand something you say and go do the wrong thing? So what if you do? That's fine. I expect you will misunderstand me from time to time and do the wrong thing, and that is fine. You want to know why? Because when life and limb are not at risk, wrong action is easier to correct than inaction. There is only one the wrong thing, and that is to do nothing. So go, do, act, and then come back to absorb and reflect on more of my profound wisdom, winky face.